my name is Paul with another tech tip, and today we're discussing cement drying times. All vulcanizing fluids contain solvents. Tech's fluids are no exception. These solvents are used to extend the shelf life of the products.
When applying cement, work fluid into the texture of the buff surface in a circular motion. This helps apply an even coat and ensures the buffed area is completely cemented. After applying cement to the prepared surface, some time is required to allow the solvents to evaporate. Do not apply repairs to wet cement. If these dry times are cut short, the solvents will continue to evaporate under the repair. This causes the solvent gases to become trapped under the repair, leading to repair failure. Proper drying times are as follows. Tech 760 vulcanizing fluid, 3 to 5 minutes. Tech heavy duty blue, 8 to 10 minutes. And Tech 10 Bulk, 15 to 20 minutes. In cold or humid conditions, drying times may need to be increased. If both conditions are present, doubling drying times may be required. Do not use a fan in an attempt to speed up drying times. Doing so can cause debris and contaminants to stick to the vulcanizing fluid.
This has been another tech tip. Thanks for watching.